Hello, thank you for watching. Elise makes a bunch of videos. Today I'm just gonna do a bit of an update on all my worldly possessions just here. These three, pretty much two piles in an empty bag. This is just an empty bag that is part of my possessions. So inside of this big bin is all the things I'm bringing with me, including the bag where all these things are going in. That's sort of underneath, full of some things at the moment, and this blue bag has all my scuba gear, so that green thing with the black thing in it is the big green sort of like check bag size bag. Most of my things are going to be in that, and then yeah, I'm still using some of it, so it's not going to be quite packed just yet, but it's basically everything in that bin's coming with me. All of the stuff in that carry on, all those things are staying here. And then this is going to be my on the plane, what do you call that? The bag that I take with me, yeah. Not the check bag, the carry-on. So yeah, check bag, carry-on bag, which is empty at the moment. I have a few other sort of a bunch of clothes that aren't in this situation because they're either dirty or just in piles everywhere. But that's like the main bits of stuff. So that this little bin is basically what I'm gonna live off of for the next at least sort of 6 months, and then maybe I'll settle and have a place and I can get more things if I really need more things. I don't know if I really do, but but yeah, that's all my worldly possessions just at the moment. I have about 2 weeks left of work, and then it will be just countdown to leaving, really. It might be 2.5 weeks. I still actually should have asked today when I was working about that, but forgot about that. Yeah, so I might work the first half of the third week of October as well, and then I'll just have the last 2 weeks of October more or less off, which is a lot more time than I gave myself last time when I was leaving to the UK. So I think it'll be a lot less stress packing and all these things trying to get done in so many days and just never having enough time. I also feel like I have less sort of nostalgia things that I want to do. Like last time, I was really going to a lot of places that was like, oh, I might not see this for a while, and I should probably check this out and go to this restaurant. And now, especially because I'm in Vancouver Island instead of Vancouver City, I'm just kind of like, I don't know. I don't really know any of the things. I've just been working all summer, so I don't whatever. Yeah. But yes, that's the exciting news for me. Hope you enjoyed my quote of the day videos. I have a few more coming up. And as always, comment, like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And peace and love, all y'all.